Today, we want to share with you how to integrate PinChat with SimplyMeet to completely online appointment experience. SimplyMeet is a lightweight appointment tool that is perfect for individual professionals. If you are using PinChat and want to enable your potential clients to schedule appointments, whether you are personal workers, client developers, or business consultants, pre-sales consultants, or other types of professional advisors such as marketing, finance, law, etc. SimplyMeet is an ideal automated appointment assistant to integrate into PinChat. Moreover, whether you are using Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom, SimplyMeet can be directly integrated and connected, handling both online and offline appointment scenarios. In addition, SimplyMeet supports various languages such as English, Chinese, or Japanese, making it a great boon for businesses in Taiwan. What's even better is that SimplyMeet offers a permanent free plan for individual users. Now, let me share how to integrate SimplyMeet into PinChat. First, register for an account on SimplyMeet and follow the instructions to set up the appointment meetings. After a simple configurations, you can create reservation links for your meetings. Here, I have already set up 2 meetings in advance, namely PinChat consultation and PinChat customer service hours. Next, go back to the PinChat dashboard. There are 2 recommended ways to integrate SimplyMeet: Pinball for micro website and Pinbot for chatbot. Let's start with the integration on Pinboard. After selecting the PinChat link to integrate, choose Basic Settings. Then select Pinboard and Interactive button. Below, select Add button. Here I want to enable customers to make direct appointments, so I enter PinChat Online Consultation as the button title. Choose Link as the button type and paste the reservation URL from SimplyMeet in the link field. Click Save to complete the integration setup. If I want to add the reservation URL for PinChat customer service hours here as well, I can simply repeat the same steps. Now, let's move on to the integration with Pinbot. Select Advanced Settings and choose Pinbot. Below, you will see the previously configured chatbot messages. I want to add the SimplyMeet reservation page to one of the button template messages. Click on the button template message you want to add in the bottom right corner. Then, click Add button below. Choose Link Action as the button type. Enter Schedule Service as the button text. And paste the reservation page URL from SimplyMeet in the links section. Great, that's it. Let's see how the actual customer experience will be like. Upon entering Pinboard, customers can directly click on the link to make a reservation, or upon entering the chat room, they can interact with Pinbot to understand their needs and automatically assist them in making a reservation. Isn't it convenient and simple? Come and seamlessly integrate SimplyMeet into PinChat and let your customers come to you automatically.